Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I will show you how to use reverse image search to find similar images, verify sources, and track image origins. So whether you are on a PC or mobile, I will cover both methods. So let's get started. Go to Chrome, then type reverse image search. As you can see on the top here, reverse image search dupli checker. Click on it. Now you can see on this home page, reverse image search find similar images. Go to this website. Now here you have to upload the picture you want to find the sources, like for example, click on this upload option. As you can see it here, click on it. Now I want to find this tiger image sources, so I will select this one, and now you have to scroll down a bit and click on search similar image. It will take few seconds to find sources. Now Google will analyze the image and display result related to it. Now I will go here and click on show matches. Now it's loading here. As you can see here, it will show me the tiger name and all. So if you found other if alternatives here, I will choose Bing here. Click on Bing. Now it will show me the sources of this picture. Click on visual search. As you can see here, this picture is from Splash, as you can see here. And that's it, how you can easily use reverse image search on any device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.